Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can create layers in LibreCAD. So let's get straight into it step by step. So right now I'm in the one layer. As you can see, it's white circle. Now I will give one more layer and with different color. So right here on the right side you will see layer 3. So here we will add new layers. How to do that? We go here to this plus green button right here and click on it, and it will open up this small window. Now what we do is here that we will give it a name, this new layer, and different color right here, like so. And now I can draw a new circle with magenta color, as you can see. Again, I can give another layer with again different color, like so. But if I want to go back to first layer, simply I will just click here on the first layer, and now it's selected. So if I do a circle, it will be a white. So this is how you can create layers in LibreCAD. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.